So today we're going to talk about a potato chip versus a corn chip. And I want you to put down below in the comments section, which one do you like more? Do you like potato chips more or corn chips? Now in college, I'm going to admit, I had my share of corn chips and potato chips. I wouldn't just buy a little bag. I would buy the big jumbo bags and down the entire Doritos in one sitting. And I didn't just get the plain. I got the one with all the different flavors and all the added extra benefit of the MSG. That's why I'm doing these videos, because it caught up with me. But let's do our comparison. And everything's based on 1 ounce. So, potato versus corn. Corn is GMO most of the time. Potato usually is not GMO. Okay, the calories, 160 versus 140. Total fat, 10 grams versus 7 grams. So some people stop right there and say, oh my gosh, the potato chip has more fat. I'm going to avoid that. I think I'll go with the corn chip based on the fat. That's not what you want to look at. Let's go to sodium. 170 versus 115 milligrams. Right there, people will tend to go with this because they think that, wow, this is so much healthier. Let's keep going. Potassium. Look at this. In 1 ounce of potato chips, you have 350 milligrams of potassium. That's a lot. Now, in one banana, it's about 300 milligrams of potassium. But I wouldn't eat potato chips to get your potassium, okay? Corn chips, 0 potassium. Carbs. And this is probably the most important thing right here. We got 15 grams of carbs per 1 ounce versus 19 grams of carbs. Now, if we take out our fiber, 1 gram and 1 gram, we get our net carbs, 14 versus 18. So corn has an extra 4 grams of carbohydrates despite having less calories and less fat. So we have less fat, more carb. More fat, less carbs. So far, potato chip is the winner. Okay, so sugar, less than 1 gram, less than 1 gram. Here's the problem, the vegetable oils. They'll usually list several oils, but you don't really know which one they're using. Corn, sunflower, canola, and sometimes safflower, and sometimes they use cottonseed oil. Now this is GMO. This is definitely GMO. You don't even know if they're actually ever using this, but they put that in there. Okay, with corn, same deal, corn oil. And of course that's a seed oil, but of course they don't call it that, they call it a vegetable oil. It sounds better. Canola, that's GMO. We don't know about sunflower oil. Now here's the problem. GMO, 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 which means that there could be traces of glyphosate, which is a herbicide. Not to mention the processing of these oils using hexane, which is a solvent. And anytime you cook a carbohydrate with a fat, like this oil right here, which will lead to all sorts of toxic compounds, which I'm going to put a link down below if you want to know more about that. If we were to compare these, this is the winner right here. But of course, if you're on keto and you're doing intermittent fasting, you want to avoid both of these. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.